kids, welcome to this fun and exciting math quiz. Have fun and enjoy.
Hooray!
Example. Calculate the fields in the table. Start with 64 plus 17, then 64 plus 25, and keep going. Calculate the fields in the table. The results are 75 plus 17 equals 92, 75 plus 25 equals 175 plus 9 equals 84. Calculate the fields in the table. The results are 66 plus 17 equals 83, 66 plus 25 equals 91 and 66 plus 9 equals 75. Calculate the fields in the table. The results are 49 plus 17 equals 66, 49 plus 25 equals 74 and 49 plus 9 equals 58. Calculate the fields in the table. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. The results are 99 minus 27 equals 72, 99 minus 19 equals 80 and 99 minus 14 equals 85. Calculate the fields in the table. The results are 55 minus 27 equals 28, 55 minus 19 equals 36 and 55 minus 14 equals 41. Calculate the fields in the table. The results are 31 minus 27 equals 4, 31 minus 19 equals 12 and 31 minus 14 equals 17. Calculate the fields in the table. The results are 37 plus 22 equals 59, 37 plus 33 equals 70 and 37 plus 44 equals 81. Calculate the fields in the table. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. The results are 21 plus 22 equals 43, 21 plus 33 equals 54 and 21 plus 44 equals 65. Calculate the fields in the table. The results are 46 plus 22 equals 68, 46 plus 33 equals 79 and 46 plus 44 equals 90. Calculate the fields in the table. The results are 82 minus 54 equals 28, 82 minus 61 equals 21 and 82 minus 49 equals 33. Calculate the fields in the table. The results are 77 minus 54 equals 23, 77 minus 61 equals 16 and 77 minus 49 equals 28. Calculate the fields in the table. The results are 90 minus 54 equals 36, 90 minus 61 equals 29 and 90 minus 49 equals 41. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you next time, and don't forget to watch our other videos.